Pretty fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
Moves quick.
Pretty faster than the one that Mr. Boys has.
Is it? Faster?
Well,
it can go even faster if I want it to. I can make it go up to 120%.
No, I think
Or
the way
100%. Or you can take it down to 80% if you want it to be really good. So depending on the quality, I think you can move it up or down for speed.
Ah, it's good. It's making a spider.
That's neat, eh?
Yeah, it sure is.
Can you make more different colors in the same thing?
Maybe you can make it bigger.
I don't know.
I'm not sure how to take it off.